Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and welcome back to Unix shell programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a shell program to check whether an entered number is an Armstrong number or not. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. As you can see here, I have already written down the output of this program, and when this program gets executed, it will ask user to enter any number, and here I have entered a number, let us say 153. Since 153 is an Armstrong number, so that's why you will get a message as 153 is an Armstrong number. Okay, so if you enter any number other than these two numbers, then you will get this number is not an Armstrong number. Okay, so it's not that we have only two examples for an Armstrong number. There can be many other examples also which we can say as an Armstrong number. So now let us first try to understand what is an Armstrong number. Armstrong number is a number when you add the cubes of each and every digit of that number, you should get the same number, as you can see in both of these examples. At the end I am getting same number 153 and here also 371. So how we can write the logic for this program? So it contains, this logic contains three steps. Okay, first we need to find the remainder of this number. So let me just consider this number as an example. So first I need to find out the remainder of this number. So I will find out the remainder 153, 10, and then I will get 53, 10 5s are 50, and I will get 3. Okay, so I need to make the cube of this remainder, and I need to add that answer in some another variable. So what I will do, I will create one more variable with a name sum, and I will initialize a value 0 to it, and here I have got the remainder. So I will write down that step. Remainder is equals to num mod 10. Okay, so with this step we will get the remainder, which is 3. Now I need to make the cube of that number. Remainder into remainder into remainder. Okay, the same step we are doing here, and I need to add this remainder with sum, and I need to store the output inside again the same variable inside sum. Okay, now 3 into 3 into 3, I will get 27, and 27 plus sum is 0. 27 gets stored inside sum, and that is our first part of the output. Okay, next what I need to do, I need to reduce this number 153 to 15. So to reduce, I need to divide that number by 10, num by 10. Okay, so by doing this, this number 153 will get reduced to 15. Okay, now num has the value 15. So for the value of num equals to 15, I need to perform the same first step. I need to find the remainder again. 15, and I will get 5 as a remainder here. Okay, I need to do the same thing here also in the second step. 5 into 5 into 5, I will get 125, and what is the last value of sum? 27. I need to add 27 with 125 and I will get 152. Now the sum will have the value 152. Next again I need to further reduce the number 15 to 1. Okay, now here num becomes 1, and that 1 I need to further use inside this statement. Okay, so how long I need to do these three instructions? Until the value of num becomes greater than 0. Okay, until we have the value of num greater than 0, that many number of times I need to execute these instructions. Do and done. Okay, now the value of num becomes 1. I will check here. Num is greater than 0. Yes, num becomes greater than 0. That's why this condition becomes true. Control will come inside the while loop to perform this statement. Remainder equals to num mod 10. 1 mod 10. okay, and we will get 1 as the reminder. Then that 1 I will pass to this expression, 1 into 1 into 1, 1 itself, plus 152, and we will get 153 as the sum. Next we will go to execute this statement where we are trying to divide 1 by 10 and we will get 0.1 now. Then control transfers to while. Here I have 0.1. So now you can see I have got the value in 0. So now this condition will not becomes true for this value of num. So since this condition becomes false, that's why control will not come inside the while loop and control will come outside the while. And we will have the value of 153 stored inside sum. Okay. Now this value of sum we need to compare with this value of num. Okay, but before I need to tell one more thing. At the very beginning itself we need to store the copy of number in some another variable num, because you can see here num value gets changed after executing these instructions. Num value has changed to 0.1 now. So that's why at the very beginning itself we need to make a copy of num in some another variable. Let us say the name of that variable is copy, so that at the end we can compare the value of num, which is 153, with the variable copy. Okay, so now sum gets compared if sum is equals to copy. If both of these numbers gets matched, then that number is a Armstrong number, otherwise it is not a Armstrong number. Okay, so I will be using the same concept to write the program. I will start the program with the shebang hash include usr bin bash, then read space -p double quote, enter the number, then num. Okay, next, as I have said, I need to make a copy of variable num. Copy is equals to $num. Okay, next I need to start the while loop. While $num is greater than, okay, I must use gt -gt 0 do. I need to first find out the remainder. Remainder is equals to $num mod 10. Next sum. Yes, here I need to initialize sum also with 0. Sum is equals to sum plus remainder into, here I need to use dollar remainder into dollar remainder. Okay, and then num is equals to $num by 10. Done. Okay, next I need to make the comparison. If space 2 open square brackets sum is equal to dollar copy space brackets close semicolon, then echo dollar copy is an Armstrong number, else echo dollar copy is not an Armstrong number. Okay, here with this we have completed this program. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys have understood this concept. So if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.